Hello friends, my name is Kiran Sabre and today we will discuss labeling and packaging of drugs. Labeling and cosmetics. The definition of labeling is display of written, printed or graphic data on the immediate container of a pharmaceutical product or wrapper of a drug package. Example is the warfarin sodium tablet USP crystalline. Introduction. The absorption of drugs varies considerably between individual drug substances as well as between the different administration routes. Dosage forms are designed to provide the drug in suitable form for absorption from each selected route of administration. Schedule G. List of substances to be taken only under supervision of a requested medical manufacturer. Schedule H. Prescription drugs. In that first one is the symbol RX prominently on a left hand top corner of a label. Second, symbol XRX prominently on a left hand top corner to NDBS. Ophthalmic solution or suspension or ointments. In that first one is the use within 1 month after opening the container. For ophthalmic use only, not for injection. That first one is the name and concentration of preservatives if used. Second, special instructions regarding storage wherever applicable. Example is sulfacetamide sodium ophthalmic solution USP. The warnings of labeling are if a or other dispensing tip to any surface since this may contaminate the solution. Schedule X drugs warnings to be sold on prescription of RMB. Symbol XRX in red on left hand top corner. Veterinary drugs not for human use, for animal treatment only. The objectives of labeling are identify the product, convey descriptive and persuasive information. Third, facilitate product transportation and protection. Fourth, assist at home storage. Fifth, aid product consumption. Types of label, manufacturer label and dispensing label. In that first one is the manufacturer label. According to FDA, manufacturer label is the label which contains drug information for use medical practitioners, pharmacists or nurses supplied by manufacturer of drugs. Legal requirement of manufacturer label. In that first one is the name of preparation, second one is the strength and dosage form, third one is the quantity, fourth one is the instruction for use, fifth one is the precautions and warnings, sixth one is the registration number, seventh one is the page number, eighth one is the price, ninth one is the manufacturing and expiry date, and 10th is the name and address of pharmaceutical industry. Second one is the dispensing label. It is a label that pharmacist attaches to prescription medicine. It usually contains name of drug being dispensed, the strength, the quantity and the dosage regimen. All medicines dispensed by pharmacy or medical practitioner should be labeled with the following essential information. First one is the name of patient, second one is the date of dispensing, third one is the name and address of pharmacy or medical practitioner, trade or common name of medicine and quality, fifth one is the dosage per unit, sixth one is the method and dosage of administration, and seventh one is the precaution. List permitted colors. Schedule Q. Part first. List of dyes, colors and pigment permitted to be used in cosmetics and soaps is given under IS 4707 Part 1 1988 as amended by the Bureau of Indian Standards. Part 2. List of colors permitted to be used in soaps. Permitted colors. There are the three permitted colors. First one is the natural color, second one is the artificial color, and third one is the coal tar color. First one is the natural color, for example annatto, carotene and chlorophyll. Second one is the artificial color, for example riboflavin. Third one is the coal tar. In the coal tar, first one is the green, example alizarin, and chemical name is disodium salt of 1,4-piece ortho sulfoparatolino anthraquinone. Second one is the yellow, example is the tartrazine, chemical name is trisodium salt of 3-carboxy 5-hydroxy 1-parasulfophenyl 4-parasulfophenyl azopyrazole. Third one is the red, example is the erythrocine, chemical name is disodium salt of 9-ortho-carboxyphenyl 6-hydroxy 2,4,5,7 tetraiodo 3-isoxanthrone. Color 4 is the blue, example is the indigo carmine, and chemical name is disodium salt of indigotin 5,5-disulfonic acid. Fifth color is the orange, example orange G, chemical name is disodium salt of 1-phenylazo 2-naphthol 6,8-disulfonic acid. Sixth color is the brown, example is the resorcine brown, chemical name is monosodium salt of 4-parasulfophenylazo 2,2,4-xylazo 1,3-resorcinol. Seventh color is the black, example is the naphthol blue black, chemical name is the disodium salt of 8-amino 7-paranitrophenylazo 2-phenylazo 1-naphthol 3,6-disulfonic acid. After that, the packing. Introduction. Packing is science, art and technology of enclosing or protecting product for distribution, storage, sale and use. Second, packing also refers to process of design, evaluation and production of package. Third, pharmaceutical packaging can be defined as economical means of providing presentations, protections, identifications, information, convenience, compliance, integrity and stability of product. Function of packaging. Product identification, in that packing greatly helps in identification of product. Product protection. Packing protects the content of a product from spoilage, breakage, leakage, etc. Facilitating the use product. Packing should be convenient to open, handle and use for consumer. Third, product promotion. Packing is also used for promotional and attracting the attention of people while purchasing. Types of packaging. First one is the primary packaging, is the material that first envelop the product from hold it. This usually is the smallest unit of distribution or use. For example, aerosol, spray can, plaster packs, bottles. Secondary packaging, it outside the primary packaging, perhaps used together. For example, boxes, cartons. Tertiary packaging is used to bulk handling and shipping. For example, barrel container, edge protector. Types of packaging material used in a pharmaceutical packaging. First one is the glass, second one is the plastic, third one is the rubber, fourth paper or cardboard, and fifth one is the metal. In that first one is the glass. The advantages of the glass: first, they are transparent. Second, they can be easily labeled. Third, they have good protection power. Disadvantages: first, glass is fragile, so easily broken. Second, release alkali to aqueous preparation. Composition of glass: first one is the sand, second one is the amber, third one is the yellow, fourth blue, and fifth one is the green. Manufacturer of glass: four basic processes used in the production of glass are blowing, drawing, pressing and casting. Types of glass: type 1, highly resistant borosilicate glass. Type 2, treated soda lime glass. Type 3, soda lime glass. Plastic. Advantages of plastic: first one is the less weight than glass, second, flexible, third, extremely resistant to breakage, fourth, variety of sizes and shapes. And disadvantages: first one is the absorption permeable to moisture, second, poor printing, thermostatic charge. That first one is the thermosetting type. For example, urea formaldehyde. Second, epoxy resin, epoxide. Thermoplastic types, for example, polyethylene. Second, polyvinyl chloride. Third, polystyrene, polypropylene. Metals. Third one is the metal. Advantages: first, they are impermeable to light, moisture and gases. Second, they are light in weights compared to glass containers. Third, labels can printed directly onto their surface. Disadvantages: they are expensive, they react with certain chemicals. Collapsible tubes metal. First, it is light in weight and unbreakable and lends itself to high speed. Second, most commonly used are tin, aluminum, and lead. In that first one is the tin. Tin container are preferred for food, pharmaceutical, and any products for which purity is considered. Aluminum tubes offer significant saving in products shipping costs because of their lightweight. Lead Lead should never be used alone for anything taken internally because of a risk. Lead poison with internal lining. Lead tubes are used for products such as chlorine toothpaste. Butyl rubbers. Then rubbers. Advantages of rubbers. First one is the permeability to water vapor. Second, water absorption is very low. Disadvantages of rubber. First one is the slow decomposition takes place above 130 degrees Celsius. Second, oil and solvent resistant is not very good. Chlorophene rubber. Advantages: first one is the oil resistant, heat stability is good. Fourth, silicone rubber. Advantages: heat resistance, extremely low absorption and permeability of water. Third, excellent hugging characteristics. Disadvantages: they are very expensive. Major consideration in the development of packaging for pharmaceutical products. Second, tamper resistant package is one having an indicator to entry in which, if missing, can reasonably be expected to provide visible evidence to consumers that tampering has occurred. Third, FDA approves the following configuration as a tamper resistant packaging. That first one is the film wrapper, second one is the plaster package, third one is the strip packages, fourth one is the bubble bag, fifth one is the shrink seal, sixth one is the band oil, seventh one is the paper, eighth one is the plastic punches, ninth one is the bottle seal, 10th is the tape seal, 11 is the breakable caps, and 12th is the aerosol containers. So these all about the labeling and packaging. Thank you.